is so fun. We're gonna get into an unboxing. That's so exciting. I love bright colors. Kind of hoping for a hoodie. Every one of my family members, you get one and you get one. I'm gonna put my cat in a shirt. I love shirts like this. Shot glass. The little label on there. 4? How many friends do you think I have? Lip balm. Smells nice too. Peach on the beach. This is actually the one that I'm the most excited for. Pink lid, peach, the beach. Each like flavor has the whale to match. The little whales like have like little different outfits and stuff. The grape. I'm gonna try and say it in Korean, but I don't speak Korean. Poto. This one is our honeydew. It matches the keychain. Baby, big guy. Baby, big guy. Baby, big guy. This is the original. Look at her. The Le Monster one is K-pop inspired. Look at all of our friends here. Le Monster, Peach on the Beach, original OG, honeydew, and grape. Poto. Maybe we'll learn some Korean. Okay, bye.